got 2 or 3 inches last night. A little bit more up towards the north. But hey, we be driving it, right? I was coming to work this morning. Actually, it was about 3:30, and there was cars spinning out. One right before me. And I had to kind of brake pretty hard, but I was okay. You know, it seems that sometimes people forget how to drive on this stuff. But I'm in no hurry, right? There we go. Looks like FedEx, everybody's going to work. Roads are pretty snow-packed. Enjoy the ride with me. Anyway, I'm going to Wichita, so I think I'll be out of it. I'll have to go up and through Kansas a little bit. They had an accident on I-35. That's usually what I take. I'm going to take the back route going towards Denver kind of, and then it's called the 670 to the 70 to the 335 and then to the 35. I'll get around all this stuff. But hey, another winter day. Got another one moving in Saturday, so this is what winter driving's all about all the time. Last couple of winters ain't been too bad. But hey, we get them. It's Kansas City, Missouri. We get winters out here. So how y'all doing? Might be enjoying some sunshine. I mean, I heard they got snow all the way in Kingman. I have some friends in Kingman, Arizona. And they woke up to snow all over their trailer home they got until they get their house built out there. So it's reaching everywhere. But this time of year out here is just a normal thing. Just gotta take it easy. Drive like you want to be alive. Yeah, on this road right here, but on the other side, where you see all that traffic right there, is where I had them cars spin out on me. It happens, people get driving a little bit too fast. And brakes don't work in snow all that well, especially ice, you know what I mean? Back down to a little bit of snowpack. Snowpack's alright. It's the ice that nobody really likes. But it's nice you guys to take the ride with me, right? I'll be doing this for a few more years, and then I'll be getting out of this truck. Hopefully just a couple more, but we'll see. Smile60plus.com for seniors. I am a senior now, so I got to think pretty soon about retiring. You know, have a little business online.